Before starting this video tutorial, I have some suggestions. If you are not comfortable with the terminology cube and how to find the cube using any Vedic maths, then kindly go through the video of cube before starting this method. So it would be advisable and you will have some knowledge of how to perform the cube. So in this video tutorial, we are going to find the cube of any two-digit number when both the digits are similar. But before starting this method, I will have some prerequisites as well. The first prerequisite is you should have knowledge of cube from 1 to 9. And the another prerequisite is you should have some basic addition knowledge. So these are the two prerequisites you should clear out and then you should jump to this video tutorial. Now, I'm directly moving to the very first example. The first example is 33 cube. You can see that in this number both the digits are similar, that is the 3. So as a first step to solve this sum, as a first step I think I have to mark 4 places in the answer, and I will have to put the cube of 3 at all 3 places, at all 4 places. So the 3 cube is 27. As a first step I will be putting 27 at all 4 places. Now as a second step you need to find the double of 27. The double of 27 is 54. Now I will be putting this 54 at under this second and third places. So 54 will be residing under second and third places. As a last step, what you need to do is you just need to perform a very simple addition. And to perform this addition, I will start with the unit place. At unit place, there is a 27. But in the answer, out of 27, I will be writing only 7 and 2 will be our carry. Now, 27 plus 54, it will be 81, and 81 plus 2, it will be 83. Out of this 83, I will be writing only 3 in the answer, and 8 will be our new carry. Again, 27 plus 54, it will be 81, and 81 plus 8 it will be 89. I will be writing 9 in the answer, and 8 will be our new carry. Now, 27 plus 8, it will be 35. Okay, your final answer is ready. Your final answer is 35937. It's very simple. You can observe that. Let me move to the another example. 7 cube. Okay. We all know that the 7 cube is 343. So as a first step, I will mark 4 places and I will put 343 at all 4 places. Now, as a second step, I need to make the double of 343. The double of 343 is 686. So, under the third place and under the second place, I will be putting 686. And as a last step, I will have to perform the very simple addition. I will start with the unit places. So, out of 343, I will be writing only 3 in the answer, and 34 will be our new carry. Now, 686 plus 343 plus 34. So the total is 1063. So I will be writing 3 in the answer and 106 will be our new carry. Now 343 plus 686 plus 106, it is 1135. So I will be writing 5 in the answer and 113 will be our new carry. Now 113 plus 343, it will be 456, and our final answer will become 456533. Thank you.